Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, got a little updates on the hands-on training school that I've been doing for the last 12 years right here in Houston. So just going to go over that, just basically some schedule changes, but that's going to come up next. So some of you know, some of you may not know, but the last 12 years I've been hosting hands-on training as well as classroom training for starting a pressure washing business, roof cleaning business, soft wash business, and pretty much was the first guy really to do that. Like I said, starting about 12 years ago. Now I know there's tons of choices out there for trainings, but over these years, right up until September of this year, I've always done the trainings on a Monday and a Tuesday. So folks would fly in on a Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening, attend the training, and that would be on Monday and Tuesday. Mondays we would do the hands-on training, and then Tuesday would be the classroom training portion. And then that gave them the ability to be able to leave out early Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, or whatever. So what I'm going to do is change the schedule up a little bit, and there's a couple of reasons that I'm doing this. Number one is the store. We're kind of busy on Monday mornings and Tuesday mornings, actually every morning, but really Monday morning after the weekend. Folks have had jobs and have done jobs locally, or even folks that we ship to. And so I just kind of feel like I need to be here on Monday mornings more. The other reason is we've had in the last year, maybe 2 years, a lot of folks request that I add a Saturday training, and I can't do that with my schedule to have a Monday, Tuesday, and then a Saturday. So what I'm going to do, starting with the September training on September 7th, that will be Saturday trainings from here on out. And we're going to do it all in one day. So a lot of folks have always said too that, man, I'd have to leave on Sunday. I got to miss 2 days at home or at work or at my job or whatever. So we'll do everything in one day, starting at about 8:30, and we'll do the hands-on portion, and then we will break for lunch, and everybody will be on their own for lunch. And then we'll come back to the training center in the afternoon and do the classroom portion, where I do a really deep dive and really get into house washing, roof cleaning, property protection, and hardscape cleaning, which includes concrete cleaning, sidewalks, pool decks, all of that kind of thing. So I'm hoping this will help some folks out, and more will be able to attend the school. Because it's only one day, because now they can fly in on a Friday and attend the school and can still catch a evening flight back home, or at worst case scenario they have to leave on a Sunday morning, which is a pretty good day to travel anyway. So that starts in September. The students that are planning to attend in September have already agreed to move to that Saturday. Because we're going to do it the following Monday and Tuesday on the 9th and 10th, but we're switching that, and they were excited and happy that we're going to be able to do everything in one day. So I think this is going to work out, and hopefully some of you guys that haven't been able to attend because of the time commitment of 3 days basically, having it on one day should hopefully help you. So just to recap, we're going to start doing the school on Saturdays. That'll start September. We'll do that in October, November, and December. And then we'll do that next year as well. And everything will be done on one day. So you can go to PressureWashingSchool.com/events and check out the schedule, and just kind of reinforce what we do when you come out here for the hands-on training portion. You're going to learn how to use the equipment, the difference between pressure washing and soft washing. We show you downstreaming. We show you the dedicated pumps. You actually get to use the equipment. You actually get to use the wands and spray. the nozzles, all the various nozzles with it that we use, and then we show you some great tips on how to clean a house and how to protect property. And then the second day is a really deep dive into what we did the previous day on exactly how to wash a house, the things to look for, identifying your surfaces and your stains, and then getting to your application method and what all dictates that. So we also go over roof cleaning pretty well in depth on the classroom portion, as well as property protection, which is the most important thing, as well as hardscape, concrete cleaning, pool deck cleaning, all of that kind of thing. So again, if you're interested, go to pressurewashingschool.com/events or email me pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. If you have a question about any of our store products, then that's info@dougruckerstore.com, or call or text 281-612-1223. And just a reminder, guys, also don't forget the Difference Makers Conference that's coming up in February. That's a Thursday and a Friday. That's February 6th and 7th. And so actually the hands-on training that month will be February 8th. So if you want to come up and attend all 3 days, you can do that. But the Difference Makers Conference is not about any type of cleaning, no hands-on training. It's all classroom, business conference type teaching with myself, Jeffrey Blackman, Ray Burke will be here, Pat Clark will be here, Kelsey, our CPA, will be here, and Mitch Beckman, who is a great speaker as well, he'll also be there. So that's February 6th and 7th of 2025. Get signed up for that if you're planning to attend quickly, because it's filling up, and you're not going to want to miss it, okay? So again, pressurewashingschool.com/events. And then as well, we have the online video school. If you can't attend anything or come here, that will drastically help you cut your learning curve. And you can do it right from home. Over 200 something videos, training videos that I've had built up over 10 years. A lot of people ask me, are these the same videos that are on YouTube? Yes, there are some videos on there from YouTube, but none of the house washing, roof cleaning, hardscape, or property protection modules are on YouTube, and there's also a ton of other videos that are not on YouTube. So I kind of started this thing before YouTube really came along, I think. But anyway, hope this has been helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just hit me up with the information I gave you already. I won't repeat it. But y'all have a very, very blessed day.